Hey, welcome to the first level of the course 301 React TypeScript. This is an advanced level course or a level 3 course, and you're expected to have completed a level 2 course before you take this. Through this course, you will learn how to build single page web apps in React TypeScript and gain an understanding on how front-end applications work in general. Now, in order to get started, let's set up a development environment for you to start your journey in React TypeScript. Now, if you're on a Mac, I'll be assuming that you have Homebrew installed. If you haven't done this already, you can simply head to brew.sh and follow the instructions here. Now, if you are on a Windows system, I'll be assuming that you have WSL installed, and you can simply Google WSL and go to Microsoft's official docs and follow the instructions here to install WSL. Now, I'll be using Mac OS for this course. First, we'll need to install or set up Node.js. There are many methods to install Node.js, but most of them would make you end up with older versions of Node.js. Now, in order to avoid this, we recommend that you use NVM or Node Version Manager. Now, we already have a script of the we already have the installed script for Node.js available in the text content of this course, or you can simply Google NVM and get the latest version of NVM. And you can head to your terminal and simply paste the command. It's a curl command, and I already have it installed, so it's quite straightforward here. Now, if you are on Ubuntu or any Linux, you will have to first install the curl command using the sudo apt-get install curl, and after this you can run the same command of curl. Now, once you have NVM installed, you can simply run nvm space -- version to see what version of NVM you have installed. Now, I have version 0.39.0. Now, if you see the NVM version showing up here, it means that your installation is intact. Now, with the NVM installed, we'll have to install Node using NVM. Now, this is quite straightforward. All you have to do is say nvm install, and we'll be using the long-term support or the LTS version of Node.js. So all you have to do is say nvm install -LTS. Now this would go ahead and install LTS. So it has fetched the latest LTS version and it's installed it. And you can see that the Node version we are using now is Node 16.13.2. And we also have npm or the Node package manager installed along with that. Now, on top of this, the next thing we need to install would be VS Code. Let me just confirm that our Node version is intact here. And we also have the npm package manager installed. That looks good. Now you can head to your VS Code and go to your extensions here, and we're going to install a couple of extensions that help us write code easier. Now, first off, we can install Prettier. Now, Prettier is a very simple extension that would help you to format your code and keep it a lot more readable. And on top of that, you can also install Tailwind IntelliSense. So you can see here that it's an official Tailwind Labs extension. Now, this gives us really nice suggestions on what class names we should be using for our styling. Now that we have our extensions in our VS Code setup, let's go to a browser where we'll be testing our React.js applications. And here I'm using Firefox. If you're using Chrome, you can simply go to Chrome's extension manager or add-on section, and you can check for your extensions, and you can search for React Dev Tools. We have React Developer Tools here by React. And I've already installed it. You can go ahead and install it. The same would be applicable for Chrome as well. You can install the React Developer Tools for Chrome if you're using Chrome, that is. I'll be using Firefox for this course. With that, you should be ready to start building your first React application. See you in the next lesson.